So then click on config and click on this SSL config. Now here we have to search the 443. So once we get this, here we have to add the 3. So it will be listen 4433 and just save this file and close this, and now again start Apache. So it will started, you can see. So in this way you can install, or you can just do the configuration for the Apache error. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Tutorials. So when we are opening the XAMPP control panel and we start Apache, it will show an error that is Apache shutdown unexpectedly. So for that we need to do some changes. So first we have to go to the config and click on this HTTP config. Now here we have to search listen. So let's search first listen. So once you navigate to here, if you can see my screen, so whenever you see this listen 80, we have to just change it to listen 8080, and same for the server. So what we did, listen 82 we have listen updated as listen 8080, then again search and search as a server, and for this same as well for server 8080. So here you can see server name localhost we have 80. So here also we need to update as a 8080. So this is done. Now what we have to do, we have to search the port 443. Just save this. And what now we have to do, we have to search the other port in other file.